everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Equinox gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in equinox.shop.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official webpage of Equinox.shop. Go ahead and log into your account first, and once you're logged in, go ahead and choose a product that you'd like to purchase and add it to your shopping bag. I've already added a product in my shopping cart, so let me click open my shopping bag located at the upper right hand corner. Once you add a product in your shopping bag, you would want to check if everything's alright, and once you do that, click on the checkout button at the bottom. Enter your shipping address and your contact information on the next page, and if you want to purchase the item via regular method, click on continue to shopping. If you want to redeem your gift card with the product, then you can go ahead and enter your gift card number on the top right hand side of the screen. Type in your gift card number or your discount code available at the back of your gift card and click on the apply button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card with the product that you would like to purchase on Equinox. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.